Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the tablet and keyboard so the connection is reliable. Make sure the Surface Pro 4 has at least 20% battery or is plugged in, because firmware or driver activity can interrupt pairing. Once done, visually inspect the keyboard's magnetic strip and connector pins for dirt or bent contacts. Clean gently with a dry microfiber cloth. Then position the keyboard under the tablet edge so magnets grab. You should hear or feel a soft click as the keyboard seats. With the keyboard attached, press the power button to boot the tablet while the keyboard is docked. This ensures initial handshake occurs. You should see the keyboard in settings under Devices or Device Manager as a Surface type cover or HID keyboard. If keys don't respond, run Windows Update and install suggested Surface drivers. Drivers fix protocol mismatches between hardware revisions. Make sure you reboot after driver installs. This finalizes driver loading and lets the OS enumerate. Now test typing, function keys, and the touchpad to confirm full operation. Open Notepad and type a sentence to verify each key. If anything is non-responsive, detach and reattach the keyboard, then uninstall the keyboard device in Device Manager and scan for hardware changes so Windows redetects it. If issues persist, try a different type cover to isolate tablet versus keyboard faults. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the magnetic connector for corrosion, clean it. If physical pins are damaged,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.